In this podcast episode, Dr. Gabrielle Lyon discusses the importance of protein in the diet and its impact on muscle health, metabolic regulation, and overall well-being. She emphasizes the role of protein in stimulating muscle protein synthesis, which is essential for maintaining muscle mass and strength, especially as individuals age. Dr. Lyon explains that skeletal muscle is highly sensitive to the mechanistic target of rapamycin, mTOR pathway, which is stimulated by amino acids like leucine. Consuming a sufficient amount of protein, around 30 grams per meal, is necessary to trigger muscle protein synthesis and promote muscle growth. She emphasizes the importance of maintaining muscle mass for overall health and longevity, as muscle plays a crucial role in metabolic regulation and glucose control. Consuming protein-rich meals, especially in the morning, can help stabilize blood sugar levels throughout the day. Dr. Lyon recommends starting the day with a high-protein meal to stimulate muscle protein synthesis, balance blood sugar, and promote satiety. By limiting carbohydrate intake to around 40 to 50 grams per meal, individuals can optimize glucose disposal and prevent blood sugar spikes. Dr. Lyon discusses how protein intake can affect hormone levels, such as insulin and cortisol. Consuming adequate protein can lead to lower insulin levels, which may contribute to improved metabolic health. She also addresses the misconception that animal protein is inflammatory, noting that the context of overall calorie intake and food quality is more important than the protein source. For women in their prime fertility years, Dr. Lyon advises against fasting and skipping breakfast. She explains that fasting can be a stressor on the body, potentially impacting hormone levels and fertility. Dr. Lyon mentions ongoing research and experiments related to blood work analysis post-training to investigate the impact of exercise on metabolic markers, such as myokines and inflammation. She highlights the importance of personalized nutrition and tailored dietary recommendations based on individual needs and goals. By incorporating protein-rich meals and optimizing nutrient intake, individuals can enhance their muscle health, metabolic function, and overall longevity. Dr. Lyon highlights the underappreciated role of skeletal muscle in the body, comprising 40% of body weight. She explains that healthy skeletal muscle is essential for maintaining metabolic health, strength, and overall function. Skeletal muscle is a nutrient-sensing organ that plays a key role in regulating metabolism and energy balance. Dr. Lyon discusses the factors that can impact skeletal muscle health, such as excess calorie consumption, lack of physical activity, and poor dietary choices. Unhealthy skeletal muscle can lead to insulin resistance, elevated blood sugar levels, and metabolic dysfunction. She emphasizes the importance of maintaining muscle health through proper nutrition and exercise. Dr. Lyon discusses the challenges in assessing muscle health, as current methods are limited in accurately measuring skeletal muscle mass. She mentions advanced techniques like CT or MRI scans for precise measurements, but more accessible options include DEXA scans and bioimpedance analysis. Monitoring factors like visceral fat, body composition, and strength can provide insights into overall muscle health. Dr. Lyon suggests that optimal body fat percentages may vary for individuals, with lower percentages generally associated with better metabolic health. For women, she recommends aiming for around 22% body fat, while for men, percentages around 12 to 15% are considered healthy. Higher body fat levels can lead to metabolic abnormalities like elevated blood sugar and inflammation. Dr. Lyon stresses the importance of incorporating strength training and resistance exercises into a fitness routine to support muscle growth and overall health. She recommends working with fitness professionals to establish baseline measurements for strength, endurance, and cardiovascular fitness. Tracking progress in activities like running, push-ups, pull-ups, and compound movements like squats and deadlifts can help gauge improvements in muscle function. She recommends aiming for 3 days a week of resistance training, targeting each major muscle group twice a week. Muscle also plays a crucial role in regulating metabolism, with Dr. Lyon highlighting the metabolic benefits of having a higher muscle mass. She explains that muscle tissue is more metabolically active than fat tissue, meaning that individuals with more muscle burn more calories at rest. While focusing on muscle health, Dr. Lyon also highlights the importance of cardiovascular exercise for overall fitness. Cardio activities support mitochondrial function, which is essential for energy production and endurance. Balancing strength training with cardio workouts can provide a well-rounded approach to physical fitness and longevity. The conversation shifts to the potential risks of rigorous exercise, with Dr. Lyon acknowledging that injuries can occur, especially among individuals who engage in intense training. She emphasizes the importance of proper movement patterns and functional training to prevent injuries. Dr. Lyon emphasizes the importance of mindset in adopting a consistent exercise routine. Addressing past traumas or limiting beliefs can help individuals overcome barriers to exercise and prioritize their health. Building a positive mindset around exercise and understanding the significance of muscle health can motivate individuals to make sustainable lifestyle changes for long-term well-being. Having strong muscles is essential for preventing falls and fractures, especially in older adults. Women over the age of 65 have a 50% chance of never walking again if they fall and sustain an injury. Muscle strength and function are critical for maintaining mobility and independence as people age. Resistance training can help improve muscle strength and reduce the risk of falls and fractures. Dr. Lyon argues that diseases such as obesity, diabetes, cardiovascular issues, and Alzheimer's are diseases of skeletal muscle. By prioritizing muscle health through resistance training and adequate protein intake, individuals can reduce their risk of developing these conditions. Muscle acts as a protective factor against various illnesses and plays a significant role in overall health and wellness. Dr. Lyon shares her personal experience of transitioning from a vegetarian diet to incorporating animal-based proteins due to issues with recovery, iron deficiency, and overall health. She discusses the importance of protein quality, mentioning that high-quality protein sources, whether conventional or organic, are essential for optimal health. The conversation touches on the topic of climate change and its association with animal protein consumption. Dr. Lyon provides insights into the percentage of greenhouse gas emissions attributed to agriculture, with a small portion linked to animal-based products. She challenges the narrative that cattle farming is a significant contributor to climate change, highlighting the importance of transparent conversations and considering other factors such as food waste and transportation in environmental impact assessments. Dr. Lyon introduces emerging research on protein metabolism and gut health, suggesting that individuals with high-fiber diets may be able to generate essential amino acids through their gut microbiome. She discusses the potential implications of this research on protein requirements and overall health. She also proposes the concept of cyclical nutrition, incorporating periods of methionine restriction for autophagy and cellular rejuvenation. Dr. Lyon emphasizes the significance of essential amino acids in protein quality. She explains that different amino acids play unique roles in the body, such as muscle protein synthesis, neurotransmitter production, and antioxidant defense. She stresses the importance of balancing essential amino acids in the diet, especially for individuals following plant-based diets. Dr. Lyon recommends consuming 1 to 1.2 grams of protein per pound of ideal body weight. She advises against reducing protein intake when calorie restriction is necessary, as protein turnover in the body requires adequate dietary protein. She suggests distributing protein intake evenly throughout the day to optimize muscle protein synthesis. She highlights the importance of consuming 30 to 50 grams of protein at the first meal of the day to stimulate muscle growth and satiety. Dr. Lyon shares that she consumes around 120 grams of protein per day, split into 2 larger meals of 50 grams each, and a smaller meal with 20 grams. She emphasizes the importance of meal preparation and planning to ensure consistent protein intake and muscle health. She also mentions the benefits of protein-rich meals like frittatas for supporting muscle growth and overall well-being. Dr. Lyon emphasizes that longevity is not just about living longer, but also about maintaining a high quality of life. She stresses the importance of muscle health in aging and disease prevention, highlighting the role of protein in preserving muscle mass and function. She advocates for transparent conversations about nutrition and the importance of prioritizing protein for optimal health outcomes. While carbohydrates have been a topic of debate in the wellness industry, Dr. Lyon provides a nuanced perspective on their role in the diet. She explains that carbohydrates can be beneficial for individuals who are metabolically healthy and active, as they provide energy for exercise and support muscle function. However, she cautions against excessive carbohydrate intake for sedentary individuals or those with metabolic issues, such as high triglycerides and insulin resistance. Dr. Lyon emphasizes the importance of meal planning and preparation in maintaining a healthy diet. She recommends structuring meals around protein sources, such as eggs, lean meats, and protein shakes, and incorporating vegetables and healthy fats for a balanced nutrient intake. By planning meals in advance and having healthy snacks on hand, individuals can avoid chaotic eating patterns and stay on track with their nutrition goals.